Welcome to Java Tutorials for Beginners. In this tutorial, we will get to know about multithreading in Java. Thread is a lightweight process that executes some task. Java provides multithreading support with the thread class, and an application can create multiple threads executing concurrently. Multithreading means that you have multiple threads of execution inside the same application. Multithreading can be a great way to increase the performance of some types of programs. Applications utilize the CPU time to its maximum and idle time is kept to a minimum. Let's see the benefits of multithreading in Java. When there is only one CPU in the system with a single thread, then the CPU time is wasted. When the thread is busy using other resources, the CPU is idle. To better utilize the CPU, multi-threaded applications can be used. As the multi-threaded applications are able to utilize CPUs efficiently, programs will have improved performance and concurrency. Programmers can divide a long program into threads and execute them in parallel, which eventually increases the speed of program execution. Multithreading can be provided for a better user experience in the applications. As explained in the diagram, a thread has the following states. No is the first state, when a thread just created from the thread class has a no state. Next state is runnable. Instance of a thread is invoked using the method start. In running state, thread instance's start method is invoked and the thread begins execution. This is the running state. Blocked state is used when multiple threads must wait for another as their execution has to be synchronized. Thread is in the blocked state when it's currently not eligible to run. As the process of a thread is over, it is terminated or its execution is stopped. Let us see the ways to create threads in Java. The easiest way to create a thread is to create a class that implements the runnable interface. To implement runnable, a class need only implement a single method called run. You will define the code that constitutes the new thread inside run method. After you create a class that implements runnable, you will instantiate an object of type thread from within that class. In this example, B1 is an instance of a class that implements the runnable interface and the name of the new thread is specified by thread name. After the new thread is created, it will not start running until you call its start method, which is declared within thread. The second way to create a thread is to create a new class that extends thread, and then to create an instance of that class. The extending class must override the run method, which is the entry point for the new thread. It must also start to begin execution of the new thread. Multithreading introduces asynchronous behavior to the programs. If a thread is writing some data, another thread may be reading the same data at that time. When two or more threads need access to a shared resource, there should be some way that the resource will be used only by one resource at a time. The process to achieve this is called synchronization. To implement the synchronous behavior, Java has synchronous method. Once a thread is inside the synchronized method, no other thread can call any other synchronized method on the same object. All other threads then wait until the first thread come out of the synchronized block. Thank you for watching our video. Please stay tuned for upcoming Java programming tutorials. Give your valuable comments below and share this video with your friends. Please visit our website for more educational, engineering and career-oriented contents.